Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we're checking out this water hardness test strip kit. I purchased this because we got a water softener. I wanted to see how it was affecting our water, and so we're going to test this out. This is before the water softener and this is after. So this test strip comes with 150 test strips. They might have different quantities, so check that out. But you have a little tube that will keep a good section of these. And then you've got a couple in 2 more packs. So you've got lots there. You have the indicator here on the side to kind of show you and how to read it. And it does have good instructions on how to read that. So we're going to test this out. We're going to test these waters. So let me put this down. So the test strips are really easy. You want the gray thing at the bottom. We're going to dip these in. 1, 2, 3. It says 15 seconds. Oh, 2 seconds, sorry. Hold the strip level with the pad up for 15 seconds. So 2 seconds in the water and then 15 seconds up. Okay, so this is after the water softener. This is before. So you can see they are different colors. Let's get the tube to see what they represent. So before, it looks like our water is probably between this 15 and this 20, between the 15 and the 25 is what it looks like. After, it definitely is more in this 1.5 to 3 category. So that was fast. It was fast. It was easy. And I've got lots of test strips so I can test different scenarios, because we also have a whole house filtration system that is not running through the water softener. So it'd be interesting to see how that does with the hardness. So there you go. Hope you enjoy this.